MDSW. Kasi dalawa po yung bahagi ng gobyerno, isa sa nasyonal at isa sa lokal. Sa nasyonal, kilala ninyong DSWD. Sa Maynila, meron tayong parallel organization, office, that will cater also to the social amelioration and all other things na ginagawa ng DSWD ay ginagawa din ng MDSW. Ayan yung director natin, si Jay De La Puente, para natin siya. At ang kanyang mga kasamahan, ating mga social worker, daycare teacher, lahat sila sa MDSW family. Sila po ay napakasipag. Kanina pang umaga, wala pang tulog, may sunog na naman kanina. Nagpakain na naman tayo. I was asked during the interview, I said at 5 a.m., Jay and I have been texting, hindi ka makatulog sa Maynila. Talagang napakahirap. But please, kahit na paano, ay tatanggit natin yung mga pangangailangan ng tao. At lalo na sa oras ng kabilya, lagi natin katuwang ang MDSW. To Mr. Jefferson Uy, our CEO of Goldilocks, Mr. Richard E., President Goldilocks, Attorney Peng, si Peng, ngayon, kasama ko, ilang beses na kami nag-meeting para sa okasyon na ito. John Brian Carnate, and Goldilocks family. Nandito palapakan natin ang Goldilocks. Masyado nang lumago at lumaki ang Goldilocks. Dati, may ilan-ilan lang. But we're very happy and proud of what you have achieved. And naalala ko nung araw, I think 1993 or 94, may Goldilocks sa Oakland or San Francisco area, if I'm not mistaken. But also now, I think sa abroad, meron na rin Goldilocks. Today, on behalf of the people of Manila, to Goldilocks, thank you very much for giving time, resources, effort, celebrating birthdays of our special individuals in the city of Manila. We cater to more than, I think, 54,000 or more than 50,000 PWDs in the city of Manila. And that speaks of adult and minor. Malaki po itong bahagi ng aming mamamayan na may kailangan ng special needs and attention. Lalong-lalo na yung ating minamahal na senior citizen. Matanda na sila, PWD pa sila. So just imagine, double whammy ka. But Vice Mayor and I, especially during my first term as mayor, we came up with an idea to give a social amelioration program for the solo parent, PWDs, adult and PWDs, minor, PLM students, UDM students, senior citizens, dami po, pati K-12 UDM students, and so on and so forth. For the simple reason, wherein gusto namin palawakin, palabarin yung aming maakap na mga mamamayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. And today, I'm happy to inform Goldilocks. Para makita niyo naman na tinatapatan namin yung effort ninyo. In this hall, you will see 11 out of many. Kasi marami po ang nakapainting ngayon na nasa India na. At marami pa nakauwi na sa kanilang malalayong bayan. At marami pa papunta. In fact, nung pag-sarili nila, nakita naman ako sa laptops na need to be transplanted. 11 out of 105 of your guests today. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa taxpayers of Manila. At salamat sa mga taga-Maynila. Binigyan ako pagkakataon maging alkalde ng Luzon. 11 dyan, buhay and healthy. The operation, transplant operation in India will cost easily $29,000. Easily. Because some will go as far as 40,000. So that is amounting to 1.5, 1.8 million bawat isang bata. Kung titingnan po ninyo, napakamahal. Masyado naman ginastahan o ginastusan. I don't mind. I don't mind spending 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million for a life. Kahit isa lang, kahit milyon-milyon ang ubusin natin, mabuhay lang ang isang tao. Lalo na bata who would not understand their situation, what they understand, they are into pain. And if not addressed, inevitable, it's just a question of time. They may succumb from that situation. But kaya may pinagpapasalamat sa Diyos. At sa mga taga-Maynila, na binigyan ng pagkakataon ng alkalde, o yung pera ng Maynila, o nagasta nila. Nagamit nila ang pondo ng Maynila. Di baling kapos tayo, di baling hikaos tayo, di baling tumutukod tayo. Ang importante, buhay sila. That's the most important. I think that's the best birthday gift to each and every human being. You may have all the money in this world, but when you're sick, mababaliwala ang lahat. Maaaring hirap tayo, masaya natin malusog na lang. Kaya masaya ako para sa mga nanay, mga tatay, at yung mga bata na yan, hindi natin masasabi kung saan sila mapupunta pagdating na natin. Walang makapag-uusga kung tagumpay na pwede nilang makamit. But what is important today is that now they have an opportunity to be a better person or to be somebody else or to be successful later on as constituents, as member of the community, or as a mother, or as a father, or maybe, katulad ng Goldilocks, anak-anak-anak natin ang branches ng Goldilocks. Naalala ko noon sa Mega Mall, nung nag-i-start ako mag-artista. Anak-anak-anak. Pero ngayon, Goldilocks is everywhere. You'll never know. That's why I, your mayor, will continue to invest big chunk of little resources. The limited resources that we have, whatever it is, malaking portion on ay patuloy kong ipamumuhunan sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. We will continue to address MBN. MBN means minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And Goldilocks, for that matter, is one of the partners of the City of Manila doing business and giving opportunity and jobs opportunity for our people. Next year, yung SM, oy, abangan nyo na. Cross finger. Sana matali na. At magkaroon din ng branch doon ng Goldilocks. SM Harrison Plaza. Malapit na. That will generate tens of thousands of jobs in the city of Manila. So, tayo sa Manila, yan tayo namumuhay. Yung iba, ano na lang yun? Ajinomoto. Yung pagpasarap, open green space, cleaner air, peace and order situation, maaliwalas na kamayanan. Kasi ang importante, ang pangarap ko, ang isang pamilya, may kapanataga sa panirahan, may masisilungan. Yung tatay, yung nanay, may mapapasukang trabaho. Yung anak, makapapasok sa eskwelahan. Yung pamilya, pag nagkasakit, may maayos na ospital. Other than that, ay bahala na kayo. O, kayo na yun. But these basic things must be a personal kong paniwala. Kailangan ibigay ng pamahalaan. Kailangan tugunan ng pamahalaan. Ito ay pamamaraan kung saan mapataas ang antas ng pamumuhay ng kanyang masasakupan. Diyan pupunta ang Maynila ngayon, diyan pupunta ang Maynila bukas, at diyan pupunta ang Maynila pagdating ng mahabang panahon. So today, to the parents of our beneficiary today, proud parents, pwede ba tayong lahat, pati mga bata? Pwede ba kisuyo? Pwede ba sabay-sabay tayo magpasalamat at palakpakan ang Goldilocks? Sabay-sabay tayo, Goldilocks? May na? Baka sa natin konti, baka mababa nyo, sayang. Goldilocks? We'll go to Egypt. Hanggat nandito ako, pinagkakatiwalaan tayo ng ng taong bayan sa pamamahala. Ay pipilitin ko lagi maging mainam, episyente, at mabuti sa paglilingkod sa bayan. In fact, I would like to give extra recognition also to Director Padilla. Yesterday, we had another successful angioplasty operation. Ito yung itinatangos ko ng ilong, ha? Ipinagyayabang ko talaga ito sapagkat hindi ko alam, you can ask anyone, makikita nyo lang ang angioplasty operation, PGH, Heart Center. Pag wala kayo doon, punta na kayo, St. Luke's, Makati Med, o maghanap na kayo ng mga mamahaling private hospital. But we, as Manilans, tayo mga taga-Manila, we can proudly say that we have built something, and now the thing that we build and machineries, very expensive machineries for medical equipment, and with the help of our medical professionals, partnering with national government, 50 mahigit angiogram, 4 na ang angioplasty. Ang isang angioplasty, it's a life-threatening procedure. It's a very expensive procedure that will cost about ₱1 million easily. You can ask now. In Manila, ang bill mo, 1,975,000 to be exact. Grand total, 0. Courtesy of the taxpayer of the city of Manila. I love you too. May asin pa yun. Gusto ko lang ipaalam para ngayon, yung middle class, sigurado na ako sa mahirap eh. Sigurado na ako, makikinabang. Pero yung middle class will now have an opportunity to be submitted in public hospital owned and run, operated by the city government, parang Tosca San Juan, 50-80 mil. Sinisipat ka pa lang, tumotosgas ka na. Sinisilip pa lang ng ugat mo. Kaluwat kanan na tosgas mo. Yagla ka. O, pag may bara, yan yung plastic ka. Yung stent, yung what you call the banal, free of charge. Habang mayor ako, mananatiling libre yan, and we will continue to save lives, extend lives. Because I know God, only si Jesus lang nakakalam kung sino mabubuhay, kung sino hindi. Ngunit bilang mayor ninyo, ako pipiliin kong magbigay ng patas na pagkakataon na ang mahirap, middle class, mayaman will now go to public hospital because we are now magkalin-sabay na sa kakayanan ng mga St. Luke's, Makati Med, and so on and so forth. Kaya sa mga may pera na nakaipon, kung sakaling kakailangan ninyo, huwag na kayong mag-isip na pumunta sa pribadong ospital. Sayang!